Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Bosch tankless water heater has suddenly stopped working or is not heating water properly, one of the first things you should check is the reset function. Many users don't realize that these systems are designed with built-in safety features that automatically shut the unit down when something isn't operating correctly, such as overheating or irregular performance. When this happens, the heater won't restart on its own until it is manually reset. This can make it seem like the system has completely failed, even though it just needs a simple reset to return to normal operation. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to locate and reset your Bosch tankless water heater so it can start working properly again. Step 1. Turn off the power supply to the water heater from the main switch. Step 2. Remove the front access panel carefully to reach the internal components. Step 3. Locate the reset button near the thermostat or control area. Step 4. Press the reset button firmly until you feel a click. Step 5. Wait a few moments before restoring power to the unit. Step 6. Turn the power back on and check if the heater starts working normally.